Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install CCleaner on your Windows operating system. Open Microsoft Edge, double click, type CCleaner, download. If found it first, you could press enter on your keyboard or just select this option here. Do not click on anyone that says add, use this official one, the official website. These are different tiers. However, for now, we need the free download, so click on it. And it's getting it ready for us. So we could run the installation from here. However, we recommend going to File Explorer, open it up, go to Downloads, double click CC Setup 600, and click Yes. And here it is, it's installing it. And click Install. And it created a desktop icon for us. Uncheck this and click Run Cleaner. And this is how the interface looks. The final thing we're gonna do is pin it here so that you will always have it down here at the taskbar. So right click and click Pin to taskbar. And that's all you do for this. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.